Hi everyone. Here we are going to discuss about this topic applied anatomy, physiology and physics which will be taught relatively to allied health science curriculum. From this chapter we are going to learn these given objectives: respiratory physiology, in which we are going to discuss about anatomy of airways in detail, and our topics will be mainly focused on larynx, trachea and bronchial tree. Foreign body aspiration. Here we are going to learn how a foreign body can go through our lungs in different positions. Regulation of respiration is a topic at which we are going to learn about how respiration is mediated to various systems of our body. Muscles of respiration. In this we can go through the muscles which play a role in respiration, like inspiratory muscles and expiratory muscles. Airway resistance is a topic where we go through how air passes through lungs and what are the laws of the nature plays over there. Ventilation by perfusion. This topic is totally about blood and gases exchange takes place in the lungs and how here they get into dead space. Dead space is a part at which the part is not participating in diffusion or any gaseous exchange. This includes anatomical dead space, alveolar dead space and dead space related to anesthesia. Oxygen and carbon dioxide in blood is an important topic that every medical practitioner should know it. This topic mainly focuses on levels of oxygen or carbon dioxide in blood and their effects. Abnormalities of chest movements. In this we should notice the abnormalities according to the chest movement and causes for them and treatment for it. Hypoxic pulmonary vasoconstriction is followed with a law. It is a protective mechanism to overcome the problem. Pulmonary function tests are going to perform to know the lung volumes and capacities of lungs. Simple bedside tests, spirometry, etc. are some procedures. Physics related to anesthesia or physical laws helps the anesthetist at every point of view to make an easy calculations. Venturi principle is given by scientist Venturi. This principle plays a great role in operation theatre, like suction will work on this principle only. Pointing effect is a work on the medical gases. This is a brief information about this topic and we'll make a detailed video in these topics. Stay tuned.